In this video, I'm going to show you how to take profit on cTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your chart, and for convenience, you want to go to the top left here and then hover over this button and enable Trade Watch just so you can see the trades down here at the bottom, which we're going to need in just a few seconds. Then, of course, there's two ways to take profit. So the first one is while you're creating your order for the first time. So I'm going to go to New Order up top. You could also click on it over here if you want to. It's up to you. And then from here, of course, you can go and select buy or sell, whichever you want to do. And then here, down here, when you select your volume, stuff like that, you have the take profit button. So you can click on the check mark here and you can then just select your take profit. So there's a bunch of things you can do. I'm just going to leave it like it is by default over here. And then I'm going to click on place order and we've successfully set a take profit. However, if you already have a trade or a position going on, you can right click on that position and you can click on modify position, and then it's going to open up the same window and you can take profit from here. You can set it, you can change it, and then click on of course protect, and that's going to do its thing. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.